One of the biggest challenges we face in the field of user experience is that our organizations and our coworkers don't understand what we do or how to plug us into the company's project development processes. So let's take a look at this problem from a detached point of view. If we assume that our colleagues are not trained in the field of UX or know our methodologies, then phrases like heuristic review or contextual inquiry probably don't make a lot of sense to them. We also use so many abbreviations in our field as well. UI, UCD, IA, UXD, to name a few. Even a term like user experience is regularly interpreted differently on a company-by-company basis. So how can we expect other people to make sense of what we do, especially when so many of our answers to questions are, "It depends"? In a field where we pride ourselves on making information clear and understandable to our users, I think we often fall short when doing the same with our coworkers. So instead of trying to stick to our preferred terms, we should try to speak with our colleagues on a level where they can absorb our message. In UX, we research and empathize with our users to figure out their mental models, their vernacular, their needs. We should be sensitive in the same way to our colleagues. Here are a few tips for communicating with your coworkers. 1. Speak their language. What I mean by this is that members of our product teams from different disciplines may have different priorities and goals than we do. If we understand priorities and goals, then we can better explain UX in ways that are clear to them, and in turn, they will be more open to our message. For example, developers may be most sensitive to potential recoding in a project. So we should communicate that UX activities drive more accurate designs, which result in less rework. Product owners may be sensitive to timelines. If this is the case, we should speak to how proper UX inclusion in the overall project timeline provides us the opportunity to validate our designs to catch unforeseen problems that would normally cause the team to miss timeline milestones. Executives may be concerned about revenue, so we have the opportunity to describe UX in terms of revenue generation and customer loyalty. Also, think of other ways to communicate rather than just words. For example, include other team members in your work processes. Instead of just handing off a design, have them participate in the creation of the design so they can see the rigor, methodology, and data used to drive the design process. Another tip, if it makes sense, use organizational jargon in your deliverables. Even though we wouldn't recommend internally used company technical speak for users, it's okay to use it internally if it's common terminology in your organization. It is so important that our organizations and colleagues understand what we do and why. Sometimes this starts with understanding them first. These are just a few tips for communicating with your colleagues. I encourage you to spend some time thinking about the people that you work with and how you should best communicate with them.